Welcome to the Mountain Sports 9-hole disc golf course. This is the short layout. First off, hole 1 is 92 feet. You've got natural OB right and left, and it is very thick if you throw it too deep. Distance control and placement and precision are very important on this course. With that, it'll be very easy to birdie everything. Hole 2, 136 feet. We've got the OB fence on the left. You can throw right of the tree, you can throw left of the tree. Either way, making it past the tree will give you a decent look at a birdie putt. And we've got OB deep with this little wall of vines. We're pulled out of the tree canopies. Hole 3, or threes as we call it, you fly 155 feet underneath these 3 triple mandatories next to this container, and hopefully dumping it to the right after to give yourself a long look at a 2. If you throw something too straight or too high underneath those mandatories, the fence that is OB is definitely in play. Hole 4, we're throwing back into hole 1's green, going to the right with a straight shot or the left of that dirt mound with a forehand are the safe bets. There is a chance of making it through the canopy with a big hyzer, but it's pretty thick. Not a very predictable shot. I wouldn't recommend it. Hole 5, 165 feet. You've got mandatory right and mandatory left that the drones just flew by. Flex something around the container and hopefully land underneath the tree and give yourself a look for a 2. Again, the fence is definitely in play if you throw something too straight or too high. But it can act as a backstop to give you a long look at a 2 back at the basket. Hole 6, 164 feet. We've got an island green created by that wall of vines on the ground. If you land short of the container, short of the wall, you re-tee with a penalty stroke. So distance control is very important to give yourself an easy 2 so you don't have to throw it too far. Hole 7, 125 feet. Deceivingly short shot. A jump putt typically won't do it, so you need to throw it. Forehand, backhand, place something in there next to the basket for your 2. Hole 8, 113 feet. That fence is definitely in play if you accidentally turn something over or it's really windy and it carries it over the fence, so you'll want to watch out for that. Again, the island green is in play. You could use the tree as a backstop if you need to, but after 6 and 7, 8 is, you're adequately warmed up for that position. Hole 9, 265 feet, the longest hole in the course. Island is not in play. You could throw a flex shot over the containers. You can throw a big hyzer around the tree. The safe shot is where the drone is flying, just straight and low. Should easily be able to land in the shadows here where we're reaching, but a really good tee shot is going to put you past this dirt mound and give you an easy tap into. Definitely a good birdie to get.